Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Okay, today we are going out. Okay, I have been indoor the whole time, so today we are going out. My uncle is in with his daughter, so we are going to have fun. So let's get ready. Look at me, my skin is looking so nice. Okay, so let's try and do something simple on my face. Okay. So I'm going to use this one concealer, and the second concealer will be this one. So the deep one and the light one. Guys, I'm done with my makeup. My cousin is waiting for me. It's around 8, 9. Okay, 9 something. So I have to go. And what I'm wearing, I've already showed you guys. So talk to you guys later. You see it through me, the dress. Maybe you already see this one. So see you. Bye. So this is what I'm wearing. Okay. Yeah, so cute. I love it. is what?
And you're saying happy so they sell they serve.
So we should try the pizza. Are we trying the pizza? Okay, I hope this idea works. You guys should enjoy it, okay? Napkins. Yeah, this one is okay. 35. The one that the food. Yeah, this one. This is what I got to on the mall, the shopping mall. I was not doing shopping for myself, right? My madam was in the shopping, so this is what I got for myself. Hold on, guys. So today is an so guys, I'm coming. This is what I'm wearing to do my hair. I've arranged my hair. Chris, where are we going to?
We are going to chill like ice water.
Em Conselho. Wedding. So bad for wedding. But on the way to have refreshments for them.
Yeah, George was coming.
The sun is overdose.
Hello. Butoa. Vazonya ovie.
Oh, okay, maintenance. Alright.
Oh, I never see I'm not going for the work. You.
อยากรู้ว่า
Enjoy my mask.